Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can write the article on the LinkedIn. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the LinkedIn profile. And after going to the LinkedIn profile, as you can see, you will be able to see the option in the home page like this. If you want to upload a photo, video or the article, but we want the article. So we have to click on the article option here. I'm going to click on the article. As you can see now, simply say hello to options are provided here. Now you can check out them. Let's click on the get started. And after clicking on the get started, as you can see, upload from your computer, create a design. If you want to create a design, or if you want to upload from computer, you can also do that. I'm going to click on this option, and for example, I'm going to open this one here, what lies beneath. Let's choose this one here. As you can see now, we are here. Now simply we have to click on the next here. As you can see now, we are here. Now we have to write the title here. For example, I'm going to write a random title here. So as you can see, I written this title here. For example, I'm going to write this. If you want to add a credit or the caption, you can also do that. Now you have to write all the information here. Now, if you want to write the article, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to copy this one here, and we are going to do this right directly here. I'm going to search the Gemini AI here. Let's click on this, and we have to open it. We have to click on the chat with Gemini. Let's click on the more, and then we have to accept it. Now simply we have to I'm going to provide the prompt to it. So as you can see, I have provided this instructions to it, and now it will write the articles, and we are going to just copy it, and we have to post it on the LinkedIn. So I'm going to copy this one here, and we have to come to back here, and I'm going to post it here. As you can see, now we are done. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on the next, and let's see. As you can see now, this is the preview, and we have to click on the publish again, and our article will be published. So as you can see, in this way you can publish an article. In this way you can write the article on the LinkedIn. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. See you in the next video.